The Marzi and Costa Show!
And hands too!
Yeah! Marzi, what are we cooking today?
Today we're gonna make homemade gelatin.
Oh!
Yeah, it's real easy. 2 simple ingredients.
Okay.
Much better than the box stuff. This way you avoid all the artificial icky in it.
Oh, yeah.
No icky.
I don't like fake.
Yeah.
I don't like fake people.
Me neither.
I don't like fake puppets.
Okay, hands. Today we're using black cherry juice. You need 2 cups.
2 cups.
And 1 tablespoon of gelatin. We're using grass-fed, pasture-raised, unflavored gelatin.
Okay.
Yeah, you can find it on Amazon.
Nice.
So you pour a little bit of the liquid you're using into the gelatin to hydrate it. You stir. And then you let it sit for about a minute. Okay, hands, pour the rest of the liquid in the pan to heat up. It doesn't have to boil, it just has to get hot.
Marzi,
Yeah?
where does gelatin come from? Where did it originate?
That sounds like a question for the professor!
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 Professor, what is gelatin's origins?
Me.
The origins of dark matter, not right now, Phineas. Gelatin, you say? Well, it was discovered in ancient Egypt. Yes, right there by ancient Egyptians, of course. Yes. Well, it comes from collagen, Phineas. Well, it is found in connective tissues such as bones, cartilage, and skin. How? Well, I'll tell you. They did it by boiling the hides and bones of animals. Yes, isn't that interesting in Egypt? Well, that is all. Good day, sir.
Interesting. Thank you, Professor.
Thank you.
Hi, I'm Coast. I'm about to drop a beat.
How about some jazz hands over here? Is it steaming yet? Okay, we see some steam coming off the pan. You don't have to let it boil, just get warm for it to dissolve.
Warm.
So Han's going to put the hydrated gelatin in with the hot juice, warm juice.
Warm like your personality, Marzi.
And then you stir until it's dissolved. Once it's dissolved, you pour it in cups and stick them in the fridge to set.
Got it.
Makes about 4 half-cup servings.
Okay.
That's it, real simple. After it's set, here's what it looks like. Just as good, but better than the box stuff.
Nice.
Can't wait to eat it. It's
That
real
looks really
simple
good.
dessert.
I can't wait. I hope I don't get any in my fur.
Yeah, that wouldn't be fun.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, until next time, make sure you like and subscribe.
Until next time.
Bye.
Bye.